Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is discussed a lot right now is Windows 10 and the possibility or not of being extended beyond the October 2025 date for the end of support. Microsoft has done it in the past with a version of Windows that was very, very popular. And we know that Windows 10 right now is at 70+% of market share in the Windows platform, so it's definitely dominant. One of the things that is happening right now is also the fact that because of just having the standard security updates and bug fixing updates, which will be very, very quiet. That means, we're in a stable part of Windows 10. We're in a nothing's changing. We're in the, what I like to call boring is good. And this is what people want. And this actually makes people want to stay even more on Windows 10. Plus, we've talked about Edge, and I've talked about how there's so many things that Microsoft is doing to drive people crazy on Windows 11 sometimes. You can expect that a lot of people, people talk and people will continue saying, I'm happy with Windows 10 and I'm going to keep this as long as I can. Which, of course, asks the question, what would be the minimum Microsoft will see and just arrive to a point and say, yeah, okay, we've got really a lot of Windows 10 machines out there. We have to extend. We don't have any choice. This is going to be interesting because what would be the minimum requirement? What would be the minimum percentage of market share that Microsoft will want to use as a number to keep Windows 10 as an operating system that will continue after beyond the official end date? This is very interesting because it definitely is a question to ask, and it's definitely a lot of pressure. I'm on the edge here of are they going to extend or not? And the reason is with Windows 11, 23%, Windows 12 coming next year, could that mess up things and mean that Windows 10 is just gonna, because Microsoft can definitely just say, hey, it's gonna be end of support is that, and that's it. Of course, there'll be the extension for enterprise. That there's no doubt. Microsoft will extend 2 to 3 years after the official end of life for regular folks for enterprise paid, updates that will continue for security. There's no doubt because enterprise is slow to move on and they need time. Now, the thing is that there's so much, this is the interesting part that I talk about all the time. There's so many Windows 10 machines right now that I have a hard time thinking that it's going to be a low number in 2.5 years. I think that number is still going to be huge. I wouldn't even be surprised because now we're going to fragment with Windows 11 and 12 that Windows 10 would still be the most popular, with lower numbers, but still be the most popular Windows version in 2.5 years. So this is definitely an interesting thing. And what do you guys think? The question I have for you guys, and you can just put it in simple words, will Microsoft extend the end of support to Windows 10? Will we get more time before we have to move on? You can say just yes. You can say they will extend, however you want to mention it. Please, once again, use proper words. I say it all the time. There are, unfortunately, some great comments that I delete because of, curse words used in it. Just, use proper wording. I want to keep your comments in, and I like to have your comments and your viewpoints. So will Microsoft extend beyond October 2025? What do you guys think? Like I said, I'm on the edge. Part of me is like, maybe they're going to play the game of, nope, we're moving on. But it's hard when you start thinking of the numbers not to expect that they might actually extend it at least a year or two. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.